Hello everyone, and happy early Father's Day that's coming up this Sunday. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to send a free Father's Day card from the Gmail app. It's a Gmail add-on, and it's called Templates from cloudHQ, Email Templates by cloudHQ. All right, so I've already gotten that installed, and I'll include the link for you so you can get it done too. It takes just a second. But once you have it installed, you'll have the three dots in the top right-hand corner. And I'm going to tap on those now. So once I tap on it, because it's installed, it's now in my menu. So in my menu, it says Insert from Templates by cloudHQ. So I'll tap on that. And then I'll tap on Free Templates, which will be all the free email templates. And whatever holiday is coming up will be what's populated right up at top here. So that's why Father's Day is here. And you have a whole bunch of really cute cards here. So I am going to choose this one. This one's super cute. So I've already sent one to my own father. So I'm going to send one. I'm looking for one that's a little bit more cuter, specifically for customers. So I want to send all my customers something really, really nice. All right, I'm going to send this one. It's a little bit more generic. It's something I can use for business. Okay, so I'm going to put my subject, Happy Father's Day, and I'm going to put a picture, an emoji of a dad with his kid, and I'm going to put, Carl, have a great, okay, so this is really nice wording, but this is more for a very personal card. So I'm just going to delete it, and I'm going to put something specific to my customer. So you're such a great dad. You're such a great dad and friend and friend. And friend. I hope you have a great Father's Day. Great day. Great day this Sunday. A great Father's Day. I'm going to just capitalize that D. This Sunday. With your family. Let's do with your family. That sounds nice. Enjoy. Ruby. See how easy that was? I'm going to also just remove that heart. I don't really need it. I need something a little bit more, business casual. But that would have been really cute to keep if that was actually my dad or a stepdad or a very close father in my life. And we'll even put Dear Carl. There we go. Great dad and friend. And you could put whatever you want, and client to work with. Such a great client to work with. Or how about I even keep it more generic? Such a great client to work with. I hope you have a great Father's Day, or a happy Father's Day. Oops. This Sunday with your family. Enjoy, Ruby. That's super nice. And now I'll just send it off. And that's how easy it is to send off a happy Father's Day email with Email Templates by cloudHQ. And it's free Father's Day cards. Completely simple, no time at all, cute selection. There's nothing at all to stop you from doing this. So I'm just going to press send and I'm done. So happy Father's Day to all of you who is watching this movie. And thank you for watching it. And I hope you find this useful.